Today we're making sambal belacan. This is prawn paste. This is called belacan. Then chili, garlic, and more chili, all blend together with the juice, calamansi juice together. So we need to squeeze the lemon first. I'm gonna put in here. Sorry, we take three calamansi. I'm gonna put in here. Then after that, squeeze the juice. Like that. So we try to, okay? Yeah. So, abangan nyo guys after na ma-squeeze yung juice. One guys, yan, calamansi juice. After squeezing, this is the one. And some skin to mix to the belacan sauce. You can blend together. So, ganun siya. Pasok siya ganyan. Okay. She said calamansi first and garlic and calamansi skin, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Small chili.
Because this one hot.
This one is chili padi.
Yeah.
They also have green chili, small one.
Also chili padi, green one.
She putting belacan. Blend together. Okay.
Now I'm going to put sugar here.
This sugar water. Because this one is salty, the belacan. So added
Sugar.
with sugar. Calamansi juice after sugar. Plus the sugar water.
The chili, big one,
okay.
Because I don't want so fine,
Must
right?
add some chili. She said must add some
I
chili.
don't want so fine, so I now I put
Big one. Okay. The big chili. Okay. See, this is the one result. How is it? It tastes. We call it sambal belacan.
You try? Nah.
Eat with what? Noodles.
No. Fried fish.
Oh, okay. Let's try.
Salty? Salty,
No,
eh?
no.
Not salty.
That's nice. See, bihun soup also can put 3 spoons inside. So the soup, the bihun soup, tasty. So this is the one, guys. The result. And you continue the next round. Plus sugar water.
All
And
the
calamansi juice. All the juice. Wow. It's so good. This is the round.
Okay. Done.
That's the chili.
Actually, when you hand
Did
it
you add
down,
sugar just now?
Huh?
Did you add sugar?
Yeah, I think I didn't add. Wait, I taste this. It tastes this one look like tastes better without the sugar. More belacan. Huh? So I just mix here.